you are looking for low calorie and delicious vegetable recipes, you need to watch this. Today, I'm gonna share 4 of my favorite Korean vegetable side dishes, banchan. It is so delicious. Yes, it's low in calories, but I emphasize how delicious it is that you won't be able to stop eating it. And guess what? It's perfect to get your body into shape for the summer. Like, you know, when we all need to like do that. The 4 Korean vegetable side dish recipes are spicy cucumber salad, 오이무침, spinach salad, 시금치나물무침, soybean sprout salad, 콩나물무침, and 4th is 숙주나물무침, Mung bean sprouts salad. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full video recipes for each of these Korean vegetable side salads will be listed in the description box below, as well as the full ingredient list and Korean ingredient product links that you could order online. Our first one, spicy cucumber salad. Many of our non-Korean friends mistakenly call our spicy cucumber salads as cucumber kimchi. Cucumber kimchi is made differently, and if you want to check that out, I'll have the video link in the description box below. But this spicy cucumber salad is so good. Once it hits the lips, you can't stop. Koreans make many different variations of cucumber salads. Oh boy, there's the wilted non-spicy version. There is the non-spicy but super crunchy and juicy version. There's also slightly soy sauce tasting cucumber sticks. Oh, check the description box below because I have recipes for all of them. Second, our spinach side salad, 시금치나물무침, is a classic Korean side dish that every Korean eats. And if you're not a fan of spinach, you can make this using kale leaves. So I have a video for that and it will be in the description box below, but spinach made Korean way, oh, I think it's the only way. So we have about less than 300 grams of long stemmed spinach. All right, this is ready. And we're gonna add the stem part in first. And then we're gonna quickly pour this into a strainer and then just run it under cold water. And then we're gonna take this and just cut it 4 ways. 1, 2. So it's also important to not over chop your spinach. Then add it to a mixing bowl. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce right over our garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced scallions, some freshly ground black pepper, and then we're gonna add a generous pinch of salt right on our spinach. Our soybean sprout side salad, 콩나물무침. This is another Korean side salad that all Koreans eat. So it's like spinach muchim and 콩나물무침, they go hand in hand. I just have to say it is super crunchy, super juicy, and super like meaty tasting. I love it. And for my spicy food lovers, guess what? 콩나물무침 can be made spicy, which is so addictive. Like, it's hot, spicy, and you can't stop eating it. Check out the full recipe below if you want to learn how to make spicy 콩나물무침. And mung bean sprouts, 숙주나물무침. So this is perfect for my friends that cannot get to a Korean market to buy soybean sprouts, 콩나물. So you could use mung bean sprouts instead. And 콩나물 is a bit more nutty in taste, but 숙주나물, mung bean sprouts, are more watery and a bit more mild in taste. But 숙주나물 made this way, it is so simple but so satisfying and super delicious. And we are using about 9 ounces of mung bean sprouts called 숙주나물. And we're just gonna add our mung bean sprouts. And here I have 1 clove of garlic. We're just gonna dunk it in here. And we're gonna quickly pour this in a strainer. And in a large mixing bowl, we're gonna put our 숙주나물 in here. And we have 1 tablespoon of minced scallions. And to this, we're just gonna add 1 pinch of salt, a tiny drizzle of sesame oil, and some freshly cracked black pepper. To this, we're gonna just add a light sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. And that's it, we're just gonna mix this up. So when it comes to making banchan, Korean side dishes, you have to pick some up and then you have to find your family member or your friend and you're supposed to say, ah, and feed it to them, but no one's here. So I'm gonna taste it myself. Pretty good. Make this at home. And I've seen so many recipes out there where they're drowning the 숙주나물무침 with soy sauce. Koreans, we never make it that way. We just use salt for this, not soy sauce. In general, we Koreans eat many, many vegetables, side dishes with our main entree, and the options for Korean vegetable side dishes are endless. Not only is it delicious, but just knowing that I consume so much vegetables that your body craves and needs and your microbiome would be like so happy, I love it. So if you want to learn more Korean vegetable side dishes, make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper and select the playlist tab and click on Korean side dish recipe playlist, and I will see you there. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe if you haven't done so, and hit that notification bell. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼 좀 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.